In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Basecamp card table. This tutorial will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to effectively utilize this powerful tool within Basecamp to manage your projects with ease. Let's dive right in. The very first thing you need to do is log into your Basecamp account. To do this, navigate to Basecamp's homepage, look for the sign in button, click on it, and then simply enter your email address and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now, locate the project you're working on. Inside Basecamp, you'll find a list of your projects. Click on the one you need to access. Each project in Basecamp is organized into various sections such as message boards, to-dos, and schedules to keep everything neatly sorted and accessible. For our purposes, we're going to focus on the card table tutorial project. Find and click on this project to proceed. The card table feature in Basecamp is excellent for visual project management, allowing you to create and arrange cards similar to other task management systems, but with Basecamp's simplicity and ease of use. Once inside your project, look for the card table option and click on it. This will bring you to a board where you can manage your tasks visually. If you're new to card tables, think of it as a versatile space where each card can represent a task or item, and these cards can be moved around to different lists or stages, depending on your workflow. Next up, adding a card. To do this, click on the Add a Card option. Here you're invited to type in the details of the task or item this card will represent. Be thorough but concise. Effective project management relies on clear, direct communication. After adding your details, assigning the card to someone is a crucial step. Click on Assign Card and type in the name or profile of the person responsible. This feature ensures everyone knows who is responsible for what, fostering accountability and clarity in team projects. Setting a due date is next. Click on Due Date to open up a calendar view where you can select the deadline for this task. Deadlines are pivotal in keeping projects on track, and Basecamp's interface makes this easy to manage. Now let's add more depth to your card. Typing in more details in the description field allows you to provide additional context or specific instructions related to the task. This can be anything from a detailed brief to attachments and links for further reading. Finally, after you've entered all the necessary information into your card, the last step is to save your work. Click on Save Card to lock in the changes you've made. Your card is now part of the card table, ready to be interacted with by your team. And that's it, you've successfully navigated adding a card to your Basecamp card table. Remember, the beauty of Basecamp lies in its simplicity and intuitiveness. Don't forget to explore and customize the board to fit your project's needs, whether that's by adding more lists for different stages of your process, or tweaking the settings to better suit your workflow. Thank you for joining me in learning how to use the Basecamp card table. With this tutorial, I hope you feel ready to tackle your projects with a new level of organization and efficiency. Happy managing!